guys, this is me again, Honey, and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, I want to introduce you to a brand na sobrang humanga ako sa kanila kasi ang galing ng pagkakagawa nila sa products nila. Without further ado, if you want to know what that brand is, then please keep on watching. And it's called Mayari Cosmetics PH. Isa siyang local brand. They sent me a box full of products. This is Mayari Cosmetics and starting pa lang yung brand nila kaya medyo hindi pa sila known. I super love the concept and the style. Like, makikita niyo mamaya kung bakit. So, yan na nga. Meron silang products such as moisturizing, stick blushers, and color lip balms. All their products were made with natural ingredients and no harmful chemicals. So, meron silang advocacy na reduce the use of plastic. So, their products are zero waste. So, malalaman niyo mamaya. It's really madalang sa mga brands na mag-isip sa environment when it comes to business. Sa Mayari Cosmetics, mga sis, make sure nila na hindi sila nakaka-harm sa environment. So, ayan. These are their products. They sent me 4 blushers and 3 colored lip balms. What I like about this is their packaging. This is what I'm talking about na zero waste siya, mga sis. Ay, baliktad. This is what I'm talking about na zero waste siya, mga sis. It's because everything in this, like, tube is made of sustainable materials. Ayan. Papel siya, sis. As you can see. Oh, ang hirap mag-focus. Ayan o, tignan nyo, ang galing. Ayan, ang galing. Para siyang karton na nirolyo na ewan ko. Ang ganda ng packaging niya actually. So, ayan, yung 4 na blushers and it's quite big. So, andito yung brand nila and then the name of the product, moisturizing stick blusher. And then, dito sa baba, baka hindi nyo na makita, pero babasahin ko na lang. So, it says here, 100% natural, chemical-free ingredients, paraben-free, cruelty-free, biodegradable packaging. Alright, so let's start with the shades. The shades are Golden Hour, Cherry Blossom, Rust, and French Rose. As you can see, these are the shades. This one is Golden Hour, this one is Cherry Blossom, this one is Rust, and this one is French Rose. Pansin ko lang, itong si Golden Hour, medyo mahirap siyang iswatch. Siguro you have to parang heat this one up para mag-melt siyang konti. Kasi this is my first swatch of this product. And dito naman kay Cherry Blossom, it's super smooth. And then the next one is si Rust. This one, the darker one. As you can see sa camera, medyo hindi nagkakalayo yung dalawa. And in person niya, hindi naman masyado. Pero I can see na this one is on the brownish side and this one is on the pinker side. It's almost the same, pero mas na-feel ko smooth swatch si... Who's this? Sino nga to? Kalimutan ko na, si French Rose. Ayan. For the packaging, mga sis, it's all made up of paper as you can see. And when you open it, it's just like this. And then white na yung parang roll niya dito. And then here you can see the product. You have to push it here sa likod. Nung una nga, ginaganyan-ganyan ko. Kasi akala ko, iniikot siya. Kasi the usual lipsticks are ganun, diba? Yung iniikot. But this one, it says push here. So you have to push it to dispense the product. Like, see? Yan, yung sinasabi ko. But, when you put it back in, ako yung ginagawa ko, para hindi na ma-stain yung kamay ko, yung ginagawa ko, nilalagay ko na lang yung takip, tapos siya na yung magpupush pababa. Ayan. So, I like the shade range, mga sis, because meron siyang orange, meron siyang red, meron siyang parang rust, and meron siyang pink, na girly pink talaga. My favorite shade here is this Cherry Blossom, itong pink, kasi sobrang lakas niyang maka-fresh, mga sis. But if you're the type of person na mas gusto yung mga sunburnt, yung mga sun-kissed, choose the Golden Hour. So, the blush that I'm using right now, mga sis, is actually Rust. I also tried the Cherry Blossom on my cheeks last night. You can see it sa aking IGTV. Try natin yung Golden Hour. So, ayan siya. This is how it looks like. And, pag pinush mo pa siya, like, sinagad mong ganun, ganyan siya kahaba. Napakahaba niya, mga sis. So, yung ginagawa ko is, nilalagay ko siya sa fingers ko, ganyan. And then, pat-pat ko lang siyang ganyan. So, as you can see, napaka-pigmented niya. Ayan. Parang may linya dito. Pag ginanyan mo siya, hindi naman siya malagkit. If I were to rate it from 1 to 10, I would give this one 8 out of 10. So, let's start with the cons, okay? So, first of all, I find it messy. Ayan, medyo messy siya. Like, hindi mo siya mawa-wipe out yung mga nasa gilid-gilid. If you stain your hand with this and then matatouch mo siya, yung packaging niya, magsistain na talaga yung stain niya dito. Another con that I want to point out is cherry blossom at saka itong rust. Okay yung consistency niya, like, gusto ko siya kasi nag-glide siya smoothly sa Pero itong si French Rose tsaka ito si Golden Hour, you need to really heat it up para mag-glide siya sa skin mo. For the pros, it's really sustainable. Like, it's all made out of paper and the product itself is made of natural ingredients, which is very good. And hindi ka nalugi kasi it's sobrang dami. Ayan, sobrang dami ng product sa loob. I don't know if may brands na ba na nakagawa nito, pero first time ko talaga makakita ng ganito, mga sis. Okay, so let's proceed with their lip balms. Ayan. Here, same lang sila ng packaging, but this one is a little bit smaller. It says 3 ounces. No, 3 ounces. 0.3 ounces. Meron din siyang nakalagay na Mayari. Actually, meron silang tagline, Beauty That Cares. Wow. Anyway, they have their logo over here. And then the name of the product, which is Ultra Nourishing Matte Color Lip Balm. So they have 3 shades. These are Fire Brick, Nutmeg, Chestnut Rose. So this one is Chestnut Rose. This one in the middle is Nutmeg. And then dito is si Fire Brick. So, diba? May nagustuhan na agad kayo. So, I want something na parang pinkish and light. So, ito siya, mga dark shades siya ng orange, red, and rose. Here are the swatches, mga sis. This one is Chestnut Rose, this one is Nutmeg, and this one is Fire Brick. And sa makikita ko, parang bet ko si Chestnut Rose. Yan. Let's try it on my lips. So let's start with Chestnut Rose. Ayan siya sa aking lips. Truly naman, matte talaga siya. Ayan. Wala kayong makikita ang gloss. So this shade is Nutmeg. Ayan, hindi siya kiss-proof. Which is okay lang naman kasi lip balm naman talaga yung main purpose nito. If I were to rate this from 1 to 10, I'm gonna rate this 9 out of 10 kasi mga sis, yun nga, medyo messy siya. Ayan, meron ng mga stains sa mga gilid-gilid. Yun lang yung con na masasabi ko. Yung pros, super nourishing niya. It's lightweight and it's not tacky. Hindi ako nag-expect na kiss-proof siya kasi it says lip balm. So, yung range ng colors niya is parang nakukulangan ako. Pero it's their starting products pa naman. So, for sure, marami pa silang gagawin na mga pasabog sa mga next na products na ilalabas nila. So, ayan. Among the 3 shades, I super like Chestnut Rose. Ayan. Ito yung suot ko ngayon. And, as you can see though, parang natural lips lang siya. For its opacity, you have to like swipe it for 3 to 4 times para makuha mo yung full opacity niya. I just want to say na sobrang napahanga ako sa mga taong gumawa nito kasi they really thought of this. Like, bihira lang yung mga tao na nag-care pa rin sa environment. Like, they're not just parang pera-pera lang. So, they also made sure na nakakatulong sila sa environment, nakakapagpasaya sila sa mga taong nabuboost yung confidence ng dahil sa makeup. So, super love this brand. Even if medyo messy siya, okay lang sa akin. Karang liit ng problema lang yun compared sa problema natin sa ating Mother Earth. Dapat talagang magtulong-tulong tayo hand in hand, mga sis, to look after our environment. Anyway, mga sis, you could reach Mayari Cosmetics sa kanilang Instagram account. I'll be putting the link down below para makita nyo naman kung ano yung advocacy nila. I think that is it for today's video, mga sis. I hope na nagustuhan nyo ang product na ito kasi ako sobrang hindi naman halata, diba? Paulit-ulit yung sinasabi ko, mahanga ako sa brand nila. Thank you so much for watching and for tuning in. Kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe, then please click the red subscribe button down below and mag-comment kayo kung ano yung mga video suggestions nyo, kung may questions kayo about these products, then leave it down below para mabasa ko naman at ma-answer ko yung mga questions ninyo. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!